friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing the Beauty Grabox for the month of February 2018. This is one of the most economical boxes around and it is priced very economically at rupees 239. You have to pay rupees 60 additional for the shipping, but believe me guys, it is always worth the price we are paying. So let's not waste any time and get right into the box. So this is the box, friends, and let us open it and look at the contents inside. So I can see some cards here which talks about the Beauty Grabox and also the contents here. So I have paid rupees 300 approximately for this Beauty Grabox and I have received products worth rupees 1000 and all the products seem quite interesting. So let us see the products one by one. The first thing that I have received is this Hilary Rhoda Faux Blush palette and I have received it in the variant B. So there are 4 variants here. I have received this variant. So let us open and see the palette. So this is how the palette looks. So there are 4 shades, very intense pigmentation and the colors are very bright, and I have a brush here too. On the other side you can see a mirror here. So this appears to be a very nice palette and I'm sure this is going to be highly pigmented. It also has a mild shimmer to it, which is a nice thing. The next thing to come out of this is this set of 4 sponge. So sponges are always useful and you can use them for applying your foundation, your concealers. You can use it to apply your setting powder. So happy to get this set of 4 sponges. However, I wish I had got sponges in different shape, but anyway, nonetheless the quality seems quite average. The next product that I have received is an essential oil from Faconn. It is an in-house product and this time the essential oil is in the eucalyptus variant. I have used the earlier variants such as tea tree earlier from the same brand and I think they are quite good in their quality. So this is 100% pure essential oil and it is a 10 ml product. So they have also mentioned the uses of this oil, friends. So it says it treats cough, cold and congestion. It also reduces dandruff and relief from itchy scale. It is effective in acne, infections and other skin flaws. So this is again quite an useful oil. So I like getting essential oils. Many a times I like for this eucalyptus oil, you can just pour a drop on your handkerchief or on your pillow, especially when you are having cold. Also the eucalyptus oil can be put into a container, a spray container, and sprayed across, so the fragrance is very refreshing and nice. So yes, I am very happy to get this too. The next product that I have received is this Hexa Mud from Faconn. It is a 110 gram product. So last time also we had got a very interesting preparation from Faconn. So this Hexa Mud is priced at rupees 250. So typically this mud again helps by exfoliating, basically by pulling out the impurities and the dirt and the pollution and the grease which gets accumulated on the pores of your skin, and it also works by reduction of the sebum production and also keeping the skin dry. Okay, there is something else which is written on it. It says that not only can it be applied on the skin, you can also apply it on your scalp and it will help exfoliating the scalp while stimulating circulation and cleansing it slowly. It aids in the slow aging of the hair. Quite interesting. I'm quite happy to get this and seems like a very interesting product. So yes, this is a new product and I think Faconn comes up with such products every time. I'm very happy to get this too. So this is definitely an in product. And the last product that I have received is this. It is a blackhead remover tool and it is worth rupees 50. So yes, a useful product. Happy to get this too. So overall I have received 5 products and honestly friends, this is one of the best subscription, most economical, most affordable subscription, and do not think twice while ordering this. It is absolutely worth the cost. I think the product is so appropriate and so worth it. So even just getting the Hexa Mud and the Faconn essential oil is a major thumbs up, you know. So I do like this product. I do love the Faconn Grabox. So guys, if you too loved it, don't miss the chance. Please go ahead and order yours very soon before it stocks out. And with this we come to an end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.